money using the law of attraction. So in this video we'll be talking about what is law of attraction, how is law of attraction connected to money or finance, and how the law of attraction and money is impacting in your life and your wealth, and how all of this could be done just in 3 steps. Before going into the video, please subscribe to my channel Tales of S for more videos on motivation and inspiration. So how is motivation and money connected to each other? So if you talk about motivation, you are trying to overcome a struggle or some sort of emotion which is related to either financial problem or family problem, which is somewhat related to your wealth. So when you have enough wealth, you will not be going through a lot of problems in your life most of the times. Of course, you need to have emotional balance as well. We go through a lot of emotional disputes as well, but I'm just talking about finance and which is connected to emotions right now. So how is success and is connected to money? Because if you ask me why you need motivation to obtain success. So what is success right now in this world? Success is nothing but your finance, your wealth, or your money. So we right now see a person's success through their currency notes. So when you have money, and if you want to make a lot of money, you need to use something which is working for you. So right now I'm going to talk about something called the law of attraction. Of course, many of you know what is law of attraction, but let's talk about how law of attraction is connected to obtaining a lot of money or earning a lot of money. So what is law of attraction? Law of attraction is nothing but the people, the circumstances, the events that are aligned with your dominant thought. So if you think about that you will receive more money, of course you will receive more money. Simply your reflection of thoughts is what you are living. But this method is not very understood by many people. So let's talk about how we could use this technique to obtain a lot of money in real life. So the law of attraction is much more spiritual compared to other laws which is in the universe, or there are a lot of universal laws which is connected spiritually and some which are connected to science, but law of attraction is both. And you need to have few things for law of attraction to work for you. So these are the things that I believe that is actually making law of attraction more powerful, which is gratitude, patience, expectations, visualization, belief or faith. All of this is what is going to make law of attraction work for you in any thing that you are wishing for. Now in this case we are talking about finance or money. So if you are talking about a person who is working towards the money, he cannot be thinking of, okay, I need money, but that cannot just come within few days for you. You need to have patience according to the amount of visualization you put in. Simultaneously, you need to work much to receive what your goal is. Now example, imagine I want to get amount of 20 million. I just cannot write somewhere and say, okay fine, I'm going to get 20 million tomorrow. No, that's not going to happen. Not even if if you get some magic also, it won't happen. So you need to do physical need, or you need to make sure that you are working towards your dream, that you will ultimately reach your 20 million in few days time. So one of the important things when it comes to law of attraction is visualization. Now I read in this book called The Secret. I'm sure most of you might know. And if you don't know, please do read that book. It's a very, very good book. I've also spoken about that book in one of my videos. I'm going to put a link towards that video as well. So in this visualization process when it comes to money, what the author says is, you write yourself a check with your name on it and the amount that you wish that you have in a particular time. So imagine you have a check and you will write the amount, the specific amount you need in words and in letters, so that you are able to know that this is what you want, and you are going to write your name, because universe needs to know that you are the one who needs this amount of money, not someone else, not someone in your family. It's that you. And also paste it somewhere you visually see, or you could just have it in your purse. And you're going to visualize that you're going to have this money, and what you're going to do with this money is also very important. You need to visualize not only the check, but you need to visualize what you will do with that money. So when you do all of that, the law of attraction, the universe which is connected to law of attraction, is going to receive these signals and provide you with the positive thoughts. The thoughts that you implemented in the check is what you are going to receive. So all of this, you could also do it in 3 steps. So step 1 is where you have no doubts or less determination when it comes to all of this. Okay, so this is also connected to another law called the law of belief. So you believe whatever from your heart, that you're going to ultimately become a reality. Now, this entire process, you should never have a doubt that you are going to get it, because doubt is a negative thought. So negative thought means you're going to persistence negative signals to the universe, which means the universe is going to give you back the negative signals, which is not what we need. We need positive signals. And no doubt, for an example, let's talk about a road. When you're going in a road, you have a lot of rocks and bricks all around scattered in the road. Can you go smoothly? No, you cannot. When I remove all these rocks and bricks in the road, will you be able to drive or walk smoothly? Yes, of course. So all of these rocks and bricks are these doubts that we have in our pathway towards our dream. Of course, in this we are talking about money. Thirdly, we're going to talk about exchange. So I'm going to connect this with a law called the law of exchange, where you exchange your gratitude for money when it comes to this step. So when you're going to thank for the expectation you're going to receive, and you're going to thank for things you have already received, and you're going to thank when you receive it as well. So you're going to be showing gratitude towards the universe to obtain a lot of things in life. When it comes to this video, of course, we are going to talk about money. So you need to have immense faith and plenty of patience to receive, and for this law of attraction to work accordingly. If not, it will not just happen. You cannot just think and say, okay, I'm going to write a 20 billion check for myself and I'm going to wait till it comes. No, it will not happen. You need to work towards your goal, towards your visualization, towards all of this, so that it will happen gradually someday. This does not mean that it will not happen very frequently. It will happen. It depends on how much positive thoughts and how much visualization and how much physical level work you are putting into it. So thank you for listening to my video. If you want more videos of such, please subscribe to my channel. Please comment down your thoughts and your feedbacks. I would love to receive some comments and thank you for listening.